Hello everyone. So today we are going to start with the summary of the poem Wind. This poem is written by Subramania Bharti and is translated in English by A.K. Ramanujan. It is a beautiful poem in which the poet is talking to the wind and is highlighting its destructive power. In the first stanza, the poet requests the wind to come softly and not to break the shutters of the windows. She also requests the wind that not to throw down the books from the shelf. Then the poet complains to the wind that in spite of his request, it blew strongly and threw the books off the shelf, tore their pages and brought the rain again. In the second stanza, the poet says that the wind makes fun of weaklings, crushes the crumbling house, crumbling roads, crumbling rafters, crumbling lives, crumbling bodies and crumbling hearts. Here, the word crumbling is repeated many a times to emphasize a viewpoint that everything crumbles in the face of strong wind. The powerful god of wind winnows the human beings. He sifts all the people, and those who are weak fall down and get crushed. Here, the comparison is made between wheat and people. Just like we winnow the wheat to separate the grain from chaff, the wind god separates the strong people from the weak. In the last stanza of the poem, suggests that the wind will not obey us. The poet wants us to make friends with the wind. He says that the problems will keep coming in, so we should be prepared to face them. We should build strong homes and close the doors of our house firmly so that wind cannot get in. And then he says that we should also make our bodies strong and hearts firm. Once we are strong enough, we can overcome all the adversities. If we become strong, the wind will befriend us. The wind supports the strong fires while extinguishes the weak ones. The friendship of wind god is good and we should praise the wind god every day. The poem gives an important message that we should make ourselves mentally tough and physically strong. In order to survive the hardships of our life, we should be strong. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet with another interesting summary of different stories and poems. Thank you.